movie starring Smurfs. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got space Smurfs, jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Whoa! Everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Handy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurfette. And I'm the star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director.
Hi, Bob. Azrael, I'm going to be the star of the movie. Lights, camera, rolling film, and action!
Hurry! Look at the top of the screen and Smurf down.
I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, they're not in this scene.
This time I know I'm dying.
We're rolling.
You tentacle meat pie weed. You call this hospitality? Sir, this vicious beastie.
If I can't be the star, then I'll ruin this picture. Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa, I just have to take care of a pesky little